Starting a business can be a challenge. Now, this is a very quick checklist of some of the things for you to consider when you start your business. To start a business, you'll need to set the business up from a legal standpoint. You'll need to register your company, you'll need to register with Inland Revenue for GST and PAYE if you intend to employ staff. You'll need to write a business plan and produce cash flow statements to support any bank loan application. Next is to build and establish a presence online, a website and social media accounts. Then you must start sourcing products or materials, establish vendor supplier accounts, and negotiate those supplier agreements. You'll need to ensure your new business meets all the licensing requirements and secures all the appropriate government permits. You'll have to start looking for the perfect location to site the business, negotiate rental and lease terms with the landlord, and then establish a physical premise in those premises. You must analyse, choose, source and set up all the furniture, fixtures and equipment needed to operate the business. While you're doing all that, you'll have to recruit, interview and hire staff to help run the business. You'll need to write the policies and procedure manuals, employee manuals, set up payroll systems, accounting and stock management software, and deal with countless other administrative headaches that will tax your patience and probably lead to a heap of sleepless nights. And you haven't even started trading yet. Persevere. It's all worth it in the end. Whether you start a business from scratch depends on many variables, not least being your own risk tolerance. Now, getting these things done and owning a successful business brings great rewards, not least of which is the personal satisfaction in getting a job done well. Hey, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to know more about starting a business, growing a business, start right now, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, maybe ask a question. I read and reply to every comment, so I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. See you again next time.